Hola guys, Miguel the Dory Blue and Roblox fan here. I am back for the plane video again. Today I'm going to San Diego for my greatest flight ever. This is my first time flying on this. I've experienced this flight before. Let me know in the comments. That would be 1,000,000% awesome. I'll tell you my history before I fly this. By the way, I went to the Make-A-Wish, the Walk for Wishes with the Allegiant Air. Then I just run. I am part of the runners. And I just run 2 miles into the finish line while my mom was looking for me, LOL. I just used a map as a plane, pretending I was flying to Netherlands. After that, I went to Signature Social. I love to spend time with my friends. But it just ended at 1 p.m. That's how we are. I just left Signature Social 10 a.m. 10:20 a.m. Alright. I see my favorite airlines right there. Wow. Look at my favorite airlines. Do you love this? This is 1,000,000% awesome, friends. But I cannot fly back because I'm driving with my dad back to the borders of California, about passing Prim. If I see Prim, I can report for you that we are at the border of California and Nevada. I love Prim and Hoover Dam. Prim is California, Arizona. Hoover Dam is Arizona. Have you passed the Hoover Dam before? Let me know in the comments. It will be 1,000,000% awesome. Wow, look at these Legionnaires. I saw them when my dad's friend named Tio Janelle, he sent us to the airport. Madre y yo means mother and I. My dad's best friend. Wow. I hope I can see the Allegiant Air Boeing 737. If I see one, then I can record it 1,000,000% for you. So everything will look awesome with the Legionnaire 737. If I ride on that, I will love it extremely much. And then I will have a lot of fun.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Ready for takeoff? Please subscribe to my channel. Or else this plane might run on you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. You don't need to be scared. I'm just kidding. My son is sleeping right now. And I have a shot of Winder Proxima. Because he supports Tina, I support Tina. Looks like now I have 2 religions, which is Triloxianism and Christianity. And my friend Winter Proxima. Winter Proxima's name is Isaiah. He's my schoolmate. In mi escuela. Oh, it means mi escuela means my school in Spanish. Try download Duolingo before this takes off. Duolingo's the best. For the greatest designs, the Espanol. You ready now? Oh, hello. Hi, private jet. Hi, Learjet. ¿Cómo estás? Means how are you in Spanish? Even there's an empty ground. I watched the magic show. Now let's prepare for takeoff.